Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen the installation of ClearLinux OS and the detailed review of the default GNOME desktop. So there are two other desktops that are available in ClearLinux, that is KDE and XFC. So we plan to install them. But if you remember, I had some issues with the virtual machines freezing up. So while using the GNOME desktop, two times it happened that the virtual machine freezed and then we had to restart it. So we need to investigate why this happened, because in earlier experience with ClearLinux, this has never happened, because ClearLinux is one of the best optimized Linux distros out in the market. So I remember I had given 4 GB of virtual RAM and 25 GB of virtual hard disk for the ClearLinux VM. So in today's video, what I have done is I have given only the default memory, that is the default selected by the ClearLinux template. So I have not given extra memory or the extra hard disk to the virtual machine, but instead let the ClearLinux template choose. So ClearLinux template has 2 GB default RAM, virtual RAM, and 21.5 GB default VDD or the virtual hard disk. So we will go with this setting. So let us start the system and we will do the installation. So now the live desktop is booting up. So we will do the installation with this pre-configured ClearLinux template and try to see whether the system freezing happens again or not. And then I will show you the advanced method of installation. So let the virtual machine now boot. We wait for it. So we are now booted into the GNOME desktop. Let us start the installer. So we remember this. So first we had selected the language. Then we inputted the required options. But on the right hand side, there is a tab called advanced options. So in the advanced installation, we have to use the advanced option tab. So here first you can select the additional bundles. So additional bundles contain a common set of pre-built R libraries, the containers basic development, some dev utils are there, GIMP is there, Java basic is there, machine learning basic is there, OS on CLR. I don't know. I'm not a developer, so some things are not known to me also. So we will leave it as it is. Perl basic. If you are a programmer using Perl, then you can use this, or you can go with the Python packages. And there is some user basic bundle is there. And on the right hand side, there is a cloud control. The desktop apps are there. Some editors are there. They are terminal based editors. Then there is some Go basic, build and run Go language program. So this is, I think, the compiler bundle. Then there is LibreOffice. Then there is some network basics. So these are the network utilities and settings. There are some package utils for creating, building and managing packages. Then there is Pidgin, the chat messenger. The system admin basic is there, and the user basic development environment or development packages are there. So we will select some of these packages. So I will go down. I will select the user basic. So this is going to be a general desktop. So I will not select any of the developer packages. We will just go with the general usage packages. So first we have selected the user basic bundle, and the system has now started testing the connectivity, network connectivity. So it is still continuing. So I think there is some issue with my, yes, the network is not available. So it will be available. I have restarted the connection. It should be soon be available. Yes, so we can go ahead now. It should work now. Okay, so next we will select the desktop apps bundle. Then we will select the LibreOffice, the network basic bundle, the package utils bundle. So I think the package manager will come along with the bundle package utils. The system admin basic. So this is required for the administration, and the user basic dev. No, we will not select this. So I think this packages will be enough. I don't think I will install with the GIMP everybody knows, and it will just increase the download size. So I will keep it to the bare minimum. Now you have to confirm the packages. Now go and assign the host. So we can put SAM PC as the host. Yes, now the kernel configuration. So there are two options. The native default kernel, it is a cutting edge Linux kernel tailored for the bare metal. And there is the LTS version. So I think in the last install, by default, it must have installed the cutting edge Linux kernel tailored for the bare metal. So maybe because of that, it was misbehaving. It was creating the freezing problem. So this time we will go with the LTS kernel. Now we have to confirm it. Done. Now the software updater configuration is there. So specify different installation source. So of course we will not do it because we don't have any different installation source. Enable auto updates. To enable this post installation, use the software update auto update dash dash enable. Okay, we will enable the auto updates, or what we can do is we will disable it, because then sometimes what happen is we are trying to install something in terminal and that auto update app is running in the background and it locks the packages. So the package manager gets locked and then we are not able to experiment in the terminal. So I will disable it. Confirm. Now test of the network utility is there. I think it was unnecessary. Okay, it has finished. Now if you want to change the language, no, we will keep the language as it is. So we will hit the next button. Now in the installation media, we will go with the safe installation method. We will rescan the media. Okay, now the media is available. We will confirm it. Now we'll go and add the user. We can add any user, any, and make the user as administration. And now we have to confirm it. Enable the auto updates. And now we will start the installation. Okay, so the installation is now complete. It took around 1 hour for the installation to complete with the advanced options where we selected certain software bundles as additional installs. So we will stop the video here. In the next video, we will try to do the installation of KDE desktop using the terminal. Do watch that video. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, comment on our channel, and do not forget to press the bell button. Otherwise you will lose the new videos that are uploaded. We upload around 1 to 2 videos every day. Always try to watch the complete video. This is not an entertainment video. This is a educational video. So if you miss the video, then you will not understand the video. So you have to watch the video completely, and in certain playlist like the Arco Linux learning path, you have to watch the video sequentially. Otherwise you will not understand and you will miss on the important facts, important knowledge. So thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.